Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
What do you think went wrong?
I don't know what exactly went wrong. I believe there was an anti-BJP wave in the state. I don't know if I can say that we failed to encash on it. Maybe we might have made certain mistakes in selection of candidates also. I think we are going to do some introspection, or we should do an introspection. And I hope that we learn from our mistakes and we don't repeat them in the future. We have a parliament election coming shortly. We have panchayat elections coming shortly. So I think we have to be serious, pull up our socks and move on.
Anti-incumbency. There was sizable and a massive anti-incumbency against the BJP government. However, anti-trust regarding Congress, maybe because of what happened post 2017, maybe because what happened on the face of election where we saw your candidates getting defected, the anti-trust was more powerful than anti-incumbency.
I don't believe that. You see, we have lost about 10 seats with what margins? Negligible margins. So I don't believe it is a lack of trust or trust deficiency.
Then what went wrong?
Maybe the votes were split. We had so many political parties in the arena this time. Maybe the votes were split. The voter might have got confused.
Was your biggest miscalculation regarding Revolutionary Governance Party, including in your own constituency?
I never expected Revolutionary Governance to get so many votes. But definitely, I thought number 2 would be some other candidates. Never for a second did I dream that Revolutionary Governance would be number 2. So I must admit that I took them for granted. It was a rude shock when I saw the result. Fortunately, by the grace of God, I won.
But don't you think this exact same thing happened in many constituencies and it was a rude shock primarily for the Congress party and also for the BJP?
It was a rude shock for everybody. You take Valpoy constituency where they got 6 or 7,000 votes. So you see, there was some talk for some time that it was that Rgp'S is into the Catholic vote. It is wrong.
You think the party should have given ticket to Aleixo Reginaldo?
See, the party took a stand for reasons best known to them. I tried till the last minute to impress upon them that the ticket should be given to. But I failed.
So you believe that an exception should have been made, and I'm saying an exception because he went to Trinamool Congress and came back, but your party chose to give ticket to a candidate who went to BJP and came back. So that was the choice you had. So you think, and you are openly admitting today, Aleixo Reginaldo should have been the Congress candidate.
See, why did I support Aleixo Reginaldo to be the candidate? Well, I didn't consider what he did as a defection. See, he has not ditched the party during the midterm. He stood with the party till the end. Sometimes we make mistakes.